Blockchain has become a buzzword over the past few years. In this course, we're going to cover Solidity, the programming language used for Ethereum, a blockchain platform for programmers. Solidity is a language for implementing smart contracts. It was influenced by C++ and JavaScript, and it is designed to target the Ethereum virtual machine. Learning Solidity can be daunting at first, so I'll make sure to simplify its syntax as much as possible so you can get the most of it while you're learning to use it. Hi, I'm Jessica KW, and it will be my pleasure to bring you on this blockchain journey with the programming language Solidity. We'll first go through some of the basics of blockchain and smart contracts. Then we'll go over Solidity's foundation and basic syntax to give you a solid footing. Finally, we'll go deeper into advanced subjects such as a source mapping and other things. So you're ready to start Solidity? Let's go ahead and open our browser and get started. Being an introduction to Solidity, you do not need to have any prior experience with the language. However, having some experience using blockchain, or at least understanding the basics of what blockchain is and how it works, will help you better. Also, some experience with Ethereum may help, but if not, no biggie. Think of this course as the basis of the language to be able to program decentralized applications later on. You can develop with Solidity on a Mac, Windows, or Linux machine. But in most cases, and in this course, we're going to be using a web-based remix environment, which we'll explore later on. As we go through this syntax, you'll have several examples of what we can build with Solidity. If you'd like to explore what others have built, take a look at this link, stateofthedapps.com. You'll see hundreds of games and applications built using Ethereum and Solidity. If you've ever wondered what DApp stands for, it's decentralized application. So in other words, Ethereum is the platform and you would build dApps using Solidity, the language. Solidity also has many plugins and extensions for most popular IDEs and editors such as Visual Studio or VS Code and even Atom. Once you're ready to build your own dApp, you can install these plugins and get right to work. A smart contract is basically code or an automated process that handles the transactions in between two parties without a middleman. Let's say, for example, you like to have your will handled by a smart contract. You could define the specific conditions of this contract through code. And upon your death, this program and not a third party would handle your will. For example, you could write out a condition that your grandson receives 10% of your heritage, but only if he is enrolled into a university and he's 21 years of age. And add as many rules to the contract as you wish. The smart contract, or the code would handle your affairs without the need of a third party or human interaction. And until the condition of death or any other conditions are met, will the contract actually execute. This, in its simplest form, constitutes a smart contract. Anywhere a transaction needs to happen in between two parties, you could use a smart contract, putting you in full control of these transactions and automating the process. Ethereum itself is a programmable blockchain versus having a specific use like Bitcoin. Therefore, it provides a powerful environment for any programmer to build really cool stuff with smart contracts. Like any blockchain environment, Ethereum offers a peer-to-peer network, so transactions are safe and proven across the network. At the heart of the system is the EVM, or the Ethereum virtual machine. This is where all your smart contracts are executed. It is completely isolated and has no access to file systems or processes. So each node in the system runs the EVM so it can maintain consensus across the network. And as per Ethereum's documentation, Ethereum is best suited for applications that automate direct interaction between peers across the network. So if we recap how all of these pieces fit together, Ethereum is the environment. The EVM executes the transactions. Solidity is the language to program smart contracts, commonly called dApps. And finally, there's us, the programmer. We can use all these pieces to create our own application leveraging this peer-to-peer network and programming language. So in a nutshell, in this course, we'll explore the syntax of the Solidity language.